What's going on, guys? So in this video today, I thought I'll do a quick video on how to remove your rear door handle from an Infiniti G37. So stay tuned. First thing you want to do, obviously, open the door. Then when you open the door, there's going to be a tab right here. So you want to undo this covering here. So you just want to peel the rubber back. So I just pull this clip out with the rubber, and you see here, you can just peel this off. So once you undo that covering, you're going to see there's a screw in there. It needs a T20. So you go ahead and loosen that up. So once you have that screw loosened there, you're just going to come here, and this piece will just pop out like that. You see the screw is in there. You can probably try to take it out, but I'm not taking mine out. Yeah, pops out. And then the front piece here, you're just going to slide it off. Like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Real simple. Have a good day, guys. Peace.